Joud.
And I'm Donia.
Right for the store.
Come join us today to have so much fun together.
Yeah.
Yes. What are we going to talk about today, Joud?
I don't know.
What's in front of you?
That's 2 little bread, 1 little bread.
Bread.
2 little
Different
bread.
kinds of bread?
Different kind of bread. And these ones are
Okay. So let's start by reading this book and showing our friends what are we going to read. We're going to read today a book called Bread, Bread, Bread by Anne Morris, and the photographs are by Ken Heyman. So the photographs in this book are real photographs taken in different parts of the world. Okay? Excited to start? What do you see?
I see bread on the head. And what do she have here?
Do we have a long kind of bread here?
Here's some. What is he eating?
Yum, yum. Is it jam and peanut?
I don't know.
On a bread slice. Let's see. People eat bread all over the world.
What's this people doing?
They're eating bread. Different kinds of different breads. There are many kinds, many shapes, many sizes.
What bread?
Skinny bread, fat bread, round, flat bread, and bread with a hole, crunchy bread, lunchy bread. Do they rhyme? Crunchy, lunchy? And bread soak up your egg. It's interesting to look at the pictures, right?
Yeah.
See, in different homes, how do they eat their bread?
But this one is first. This one like.
This one looks like this bread. This looks like this bread.
Yeah. See?
Right? Yeah.
And I keep it here, and this one.
We
goes
will see if we will find the same bread here.
to-
Pizza, pretzel, they are bread too.
This are bread.
Mm-hmm.
This one is like just white bread.
Yes, all kinds, pizzas and pretzels, they are kind of bread.
What on her girl's head?
Bread on the table, bread on your head. Head, bread, do they rhyme?
This is what you
Bread is good for you. It helps you grow. It makes you strong. Is he enjoying his bread? Is he happily eating his bread?
He's not.
Yeah.
He's not happy.
Now he's chewing because there's a lot of bread in his mouth. He can't talk or smile. It's like this. Making bread, shaping bread, baking bread. So to make bread, we have to measure the ingredients, and then we have to knead the ingredients, shape them, and then put them in the oven to bake it. So I think this one looks like your loaf.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not too big. It's not too big like this.
What do you think?
I think, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, take off your.
This is my bread for this bread.
Mm-hmm.
And there's 2 breads.
She made 2 loaves. Toasting bread. We put the bread in the toaster and we toast the bread. Or cooking bread over the fire.
How about this bite of bread?
Fill up the basket. Your bread in baskets.
Yeah? And what?
Off to the market. This is a bicycle cart where he sells his bread. He passed by on the street and he says, bread, 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 bread. And then people will say, I want some. They will stop him, pay for him money, and take bread. These are flour bags,
Bed.
not pillows. These are flour bags. So can you see breads are not always only on the stores, depending on which country, on which part of the world we are. Bread for sale. Oh, here. This is bread in the store.
Yeah.
And here, this is also on the street. She has a big baskets waiting for people to come and buy them.
To buy them.
Breaking bread together.
Breaking?
Yeah. Like if you have a big loaf of bread,
Yeah.
you break it.
How can you break it?
This is a toy. We can break it. Wanna try to break this?
I can break it.
You break bread. Okay. Have a bite. Delicious. We saw bread from different kinds of the world. So what's about bread? Why bread is so special? I think people all around the world, we share the same thing. We all eat bread.
How can I make a sandwich?
We will show our friends. But we eat different kinds of bread. Is there only one kind of bread as read in the book?
No.
So many kinds, so many shapes. As we people are so much diverse, also bread kinds are diverse, right? There's the flat, there's the long. So the flat might be a pita bread.
I hear it.
Yes, I do. And then there's the bagels. They are the bird bread with a hole. There is the tortillas, the pitas, the pretzels, the pizzas, the naan, the chapatis. Wow, so many different names from different parts of the world. Bread introduces us to different cultures around the world. I am going to introduce you about my culture through the sandwich. I have pita bread. Right? Is this pita? It's a bread with a pouch. So it's kind of a two-layer.
I'm going to do it like
Yeah,
this.
we need to open it to show our friends.
What are these?
So
Whoa.
it's two,
Baba,
and we open it this way to make a sandwich out
Oh.
from it.
There's something here.
Do you want to tell our friends what do we have in front of us?
We need olives. We need
Olives,
And we need za'atar.
za'atar.
And we need olives. Oh.
What's that?
Cucumber.
Cucumber,
And we need Lebanon.
labneh, and
Pita bread.
pita bread. So this is the pita bread, as we said. Labneh is strained yogurt, so it looks like cream cheese. And then the za'atar is a mixture of thyme and sumac, and then we have olive oil. We mix these together and we add to them sesame seeds. Be careful if you have any allergy.
Sesame
Yes. Sesame seeds? That's sesame seeds. Okay. Do you want to start by spreading the Donia and Joud?
Yeah. A big tablespoon. on
That's
it.
a teaspoon. It's not a tablespoon.
A big-
Tablespoon is the bigger spoon.
We spread up. It's locked. There. Just
Okay. I think that's okay.
maybe there's some here. Some. It's just not okay.
Okay. Let's follow Chef Joud's lead.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's spread the other stuff.
Maybe I need this.
Yes, you can. Okay. So I am going to spread the za'atar while Joud is eating his spoon.
That's it.
Oh, okay. Let me sprinkle them and then you spread them, okay?
I'm gonna spread it.
Okay, you will spread it.
Okay. Wait, I can take with this spoon.
Okay.
I can give them this spoon. I put it here.
Okay, can you spread the za'atar?
Okay. Thanks. What? That's a spread.
Za'atar is really so good for your brain function.
Oui.
Okay, so they're going mainly to Joud's mouth. And then let's put some olives.
Olive.
This is the olives. And then we will add cucumber for crunchiness.
Yeah.
Okay, one more.
And that's it.
And that's it. Now it's time to roll it. We also add sometimes to it tomatoes or shredded lettuce. It's delicious.
Is this mine?
You want to eat it? Okay. And here is the sandwich ready
Of
to
my
be
bread.
eaten. You wanna try?
One bread.
One bite? Okay. While Jude is enjoying eating this giant sandwich, I want to ask you friends, what's your favorite kind of bread? And how do you like to eat it? And do you know kinds of breads from different cultures? You can introduce us to these ones in the comments. That's it for today. Are we going to tell our friends eat?
Eat well. Goodbye.
Eat well and stay well. Goodbye.